Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to be putting in some LED lights in this 2016 Nissan Sentra. Let's get right to it. Alright, so what we're going to do first is remove this intake hose. Should be just a small clip right there. And all you just got to do is just wiggle it and lift it up, set to the side. Should give you some access down here. Okay, next what we're going to have to do is remove this cover. All you got to do is twist it. Pulls right off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember that? A few tools that help me complete this job is a long pair of needle nose pliers, preferably something that is that has an angle on it. I believe this is only like a 60 degree, and a long screwdriver that'll help you disconnect the connector on the headlight. Alright, next we're going to be disconnecting the connector off this headlight. Just using a screwdriver. Let's pull it down just like so. Get it out of the way. Use these pliers because if mine's a little tight because it's the first time I've done this. Yours might be different. Just depends, especially on the weather, because it's cold up here and everything's just really on there. Normally, you don't want to touch the glass because it will create a hot spot and burn it out. But these, I'm not planning to reuse them, so it doesn't matter to me. I'm going to get these new ones out. I was having an issue putting in these LED lights. They're kind of bulky, so I had to trim up this corner. I used a pair of pliers, but you could use anything really, as long as you could cut it or just kind of pull it back. The plastic is kind of not that, tough, so you could easily peel it back some like I did. I'll put a link down below of the lights I purchased off of Amazon if you'd like to purchase the same ones. Alright, I'm going to try to record all this time so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So let's get right to it again. Take off this cap. Oops. There goes that. Get it when I come back to it. So I'm going to take off this. Push this off of here. This side's a little bit easier because this is the first side I took off with the first set. So like I said before, if you're trying to reuse these, I'd probably wear some gloves, but like I said, I'm not planning to. Took off a little more than what I wanted to, but hopefully that works. Alright, let's slap this light on. So just to let you guys know, I'm not really trying to be a backyard mechanic or anything like that. I'm actually a full-fledged technician. I actually worked for Ford for about 10 years, doing power stroke diesel. So, but pretty much work on anything. sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know? These are just projects. Sorry about that. The camera was in my way trying to get this thing in. I gotta need some room here. I think that's it. Yep. That's fully in. Okay. Let's plug it in. Snap that in there. Shove the rest of those wiring into the hole. Still works on there, so able to keep the water out of there. So there you have it, 2 LEDs installed to a 2016 Nissan Sentra. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It really helped me out a lot. And there's the relay kicking in. Safety shut off so we don't kill the battery.